Patricia Ann, who would have thought knowing each other from junior high would lead to a lifetime together? There is no other person in the world I would want to live this life with. I've never laughed as hard, cried as hard, or loved as hard since the day we came together. God always had a plan, from the good days to the bad. We knew what we were both missing to bring us together. I promise now to love, care, and protect you and our beautiful 5 children. I can't wait to see what the future has for us, to the good and the bad days to come. This is the best day of my life. Heck, this would be the greatest day of any man's life, because the person you are that keeps the world moving with the caring, hardworking, loving mother that you are today.
Me and Aaron met in school when we were younger. He's always kind of had a thing for me. He's always kind of been the life of the party for everybody. He gets along with everyone. He's just amazing. Honestly, deciding to marry Aaron was probably the best choice I ever made. He works so hard. He supports his family. He is the most amazing stepfather and father to our kids. And I couldn't be happier than I am today with him.
Trisha, I love you so much and can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Thanks be to God. And I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Aaron Gunville. Aaron, you may kiss your bride.
Side for anything. What would be the point? I'm with you through and through. What I was looking for was everything, and everything I found, well honey, I found it in you. You're the song I wanna sing. You're the story I wanna tell. You're the reason I believe that honey loves Nothing could shake me, but then you shook me. You turned me right side up from being wrong side down. I couldn't be taken, but then you took me. You gave me words to write. You went and changed my sound. Now you're the song I wanna sing. You're the story I wanna tell. You're the reason I believe that, honey, love is a ringing bell. For years I couldn't tell, but you saw the man inside the shell. So you're the song I wanna sing. You're the story I wanna tell. You're the reason I believe that, honey, love is a ringing bell. You're the song I wanna sing. You're the story I wanna tell. You're the